Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once it's open and visible, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Or it looks like not hold, but actually just press. There we go. And this gives us a share and edit option once we captured our screenshot, and after a second it just disappears. Now that screenshot can be found in our gallery application, so let's quickly open that up, and in here you'll find your screenshot. Now you can also locate screenshots in your albums, which the device will create an album called Screenshots, where it will only keep, well, strictly those screenshots. Now I have only one, so it doesn't really make much of a difference here. But that is how you'd capture your screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.